Who doesn't love having a great outdoor space for your family and friends? And why not add a little bit of warmth and interest to your backyard with a beautiful Heat Glo Plaza fire pit. This is a great DIY weekend project, and I'm going to walk you through step by step how you can create your own fire pit for your backyard. Each Plaza kit comes with parts for the frame, the burner, and a door track. The glass surround is optional. The frame assembly requires only basic tools and DIY skills, so it comes together quickly. Once covered in cement board, let creativity flow and design your Plaza fire pit to fit your outdoor decor. You can use porcelain, ceramic, or stucco. The style and design is up to you. When finished, add your lava rocks, load the propane, and light your beautiful new Heat Glo Plaza fire pit. Now you can cuddle up with your buddy, you can grab a hot drink, and you can enjoy your Heat Glo Plaza fire pit.